everyone, Tessa here. Although I purchased this product, I did partner with the seller and may receive an extra commission. So let's dive in. I'm going to do a live demo, which I'm sure you would appreciate. And I have the hair that really needs this more than anyone else because I truly have frizzy hair. Let's see how it works on my hair. Just going to take it down. Okay, that's what it looks like. Oh my goodness. It works even on my hair. Amazing. There's the frizz. You can see it right there. See if you can get rid of it. Oops. Okay. This is amazing. Look at that. No more frizz. No more frizz. Has a lot of good ingredients like biotin, aloe vera, and vitamin E. And I think it did a really great job. I'm very pleased with this purchase, and I highly recommend it.